And hello there, 30 Minutes friends and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to one episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is again similar to the latest class that was available for Liber. We have the Rosan Wizard. So, yes, this is a 30 Minutes Fantasy Rosan Wizard, where, as you can see in the box art, he is the very dark type, like a black mage type of a wizard, building electric magic, I guess. Yep. And off to the side, we can see it here that yes, we have the silhouette, some armor parts, and it is also using the same silhouette as the Liber Wizard, which is silhouette 3. And of course, you can also change it or job change it to an enchanter or a sorcerer. And off to the side, yep, front and back of the Rosan Wizard, and of course, information of it. And opening up and seeing what's inside the box, yeah, we have one bag with a clear or transparent yellow, meaning I think lightning, I guess. Another bag with yellow and brown and black. Another bag here with the same yellow. I guess most of the parts here are similar to the Liber Wizard, but just different colors. Maybe some parts are different. Yep. And yeah, as you can see in the instructions, yes, it is a Rosan Wizard and it is a Thunder Elemental, which is the same as the Lancers of Rosan and Liber. And of course, here it is again. So it says it's a silhouette tree, which is taller and slender. And then, yes, you can make it into an enchanter or a sorcerer. Okay, so let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So first off, we have the ace sprue here, which is again similar to the past silhouettes, but this time there's a different color with yellow, black, and clear yellow. We have the B sprue here, which is clearly all black. Yep. We have the C sprue here, which has a tiny hint of gray. Going back to the D sprue, going back to the all black with the same sprue as the other silhouettes. And the D2 here also, all black. And E1, and of course E2, which is again similar to the Liber Wizard parts. And of course, we now have the G here, which is the parts for, of course, the Wizard configuration. But of course, I guess there will be some changes in not just the color, but I guess for the headpiece as well. We also have the same G2 here, say just a different color. Of course, we have the clear parts, similar to the Liber Wizard, but just different color. Same with this guy, just a different color also. And of course, I just missed the F2, which is a different color, and the F3, which is in yellow and pure yellow instead of the blue from the Liber Wizard. And there you have it, 30 Minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the 30 Minutes Fantasy Rosan Wizard, which is a Thunder Elemental. Again, similar to the Liver Wizard, but just a different color scheme and different elemental. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing and leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.